Sovi.ai app AI math tutors can to solve math questions. So here you see it, Snap, Learn, Thrive. Sovi.ai isn't about just getting it done. It's about helping you actually get it. We're the study body that makes stuff make sense. How it works, understand, get step-by-step breakdowns that guide your thinking, ask, level up. So you can just see it in here. Perfect for students, parents, test preppers, anyone learning solo and tired of boring tools. And then you can just see it in here, and then just double click to install photo to solutions in one capture. And then this is kind of the app. Let's go. And then you can just scan it, focus on your questions, and get the answer. AC mode, faster answer, batch solve, focused mode, general, math, history, biology, chemistry, chat, explore, profile, share app, remove ads. So here you can just see and then you can just have it like that. So yeah, feel free to use my code, and that's the idea of the app in here.